Let's go! Little red tractor, he's king of the fields. Getting his jobs done with Stan at the wheel. He's not the biggest, but he's a hero. Little red tractor, let's go! With Sparky and Nipper and Big Blue too, and lots more friends in tow. Little red tractor, let's go! Well, we've gotten off to a great start this morning, Little Red Tractor. I reckon we could have the rest of this corn sown well before lunch. Let's go!
No. Marvellous. This little beauty will save me hours of work. No more driving up and down the fields all day. Maybe bloom. I can sow all my corn in one go. I just float up into the sky in my beautiful balloon and dump my seed over the side. The wind will do the rest. Genius.
Are you sure you know what you're doing, Uncle Jasper?
It couldn't be easier. I pull this one to go up, and I pull this to come down. Voila!
But what about steering?
Oh, well, I just go where the wind takes me, which, by my expert calculations, is over that way. Straight towards my ploughed fields. Right, Thomas. Cast off and jump aboard.
No way.
It's perfectly safe.
I'm not getting in that thing with you.
Your uncle knows what he is doing.
But you haven't read the instructions.
Up, down, it's simple. Be back in a jiffy.
All done. And in record time, too. Well done, Little Red Tractor. I'm not sure what to do now. I thought this was going to take all day. Hey, tell you what, why don't we go and see if any of our neighbours need some help?
You're a very clever man, Mr. Jones. Oh, yes, I can see this way of planting crops really taking off. Right, where were we? Ah, yes, that's, no, that's something else. And that's, what's that? Oh, this is ridiculous. Everything looks so tiny from up here.
How do you do that? When you come out, the sun goes in.
Well, perhaps it's time you went in and did some work.
Oh, nothing doing else. I've ground all the corn for everyone. Stan, Mr. Jones, even for Mr. Longbottom from down the lane.
There must be other farmers who need their corn ground.
Not that I know of.
Aha! This must be one of my fields coming up now. Here it comes, a little further, and now, chocks away!
Perhaps you should go further afield. Ask other farmers. You sit there waiting for corn to just land in your lap, and that's not going to happen.
Oh. What were you saying, dear?
Oh, drat! That was not meant to happen. I thought the wind would scatter the corn. And, oh, actually, that isn't even my field. Nah, hold on. That's one of my fields over there.
Oh, hello, Stan.
Having a bit of a tidy up?
Funny thing happened. I was sat in my deck chair, minding my own business, when a load of corn lands in me lap.
A load of corn?
Yep. Fell out the sky, it did.
How odd.
Oh, these things happen. If it's not corn, it'll be fish or frogs.
Right. Well, it sounds strange to me. I think I'll go and investigate. Unless you need a hand here.
Oh, no, I'll be fine.
See you.
This has got to be it. I think I've finally got it sussed. Come on. Whoa, you little beauty! Oh, no. Oh, why? You were doing so well. Maybe I've been wasting my time all along. Ah, this looks more like it. Steady. Steady. All those days I've spent working on you, if I'm wasting my time, Rusty, let me know, please. And now, chucks away! Just give me a sign, any sign! So, was that a good sign or a bad sign? Oh, no, Mr. Ken. Well, I guess my great idea isn't that great after all. Gotta get back to the farm. Right, I think I need to be more specific. If I am wasting my time trying to fix Rusty, then throw a load of corn over me. Let me have it. That means, well, it means I'm not wasting my time after all. I will get you back on the road, old girl.
Hi there, Walter. Everything okay?
Stan, oh, yeah, everything's great.
That corn. It didn't fall from the sky by any chance, did it?
Exactly. Came down from up there.
Well, the same thing just happened to Stumpy.
Another sign.
I think there's a perfectly normal explanation, and Little Red Tractor and I are going to get to the bottom of it.
Oh, not that one. Down, not up. Now, how do I turn this thing around?
Hi, Stan. Hi, Little Red Tractor.
Thomas, is your uncle around?
He's up there.
He's where?
He's up there. He's got a new hot air balloon.
Oh, no. And don't tell me he's trying to sow his fields from up there.
I said it was a bad idea.
Don't suppose you know which direction he went in, do you?
He went off in that direction, but the wind has changed since then. He must be going that way now.
Towards my farm? Come on, Little Red Tractor. I hope Mr. Jones doesn't land on my roof.
Stan! Little Red Tractor! Where are they?
There he is. Quick, Little Red Tractor.
Help! I can't stop this thing!
Don't worry. We'll get you down. Not sure how, though. The log.
Hurry, Stan! I'm headed straight towards the wood!
Have you got a rope up there?
Yes. Yes! Here we are!
Now throw the loose end down to me.
Oh, good work, Stan!
Now come on, boy. Nice and slow. Come on, Little Red Tractor. You can do it.
That's it! It's working! Go on, Little Red Tractor! Marvelous! Oh, well done, us!
I think you have some apologising to do, Mr. Jones.
Oh, right. Sorry, Stan.
Not to me, to Stumpy and Walter. It looks like you dumped a load of corn onto the pair of them.
Well, oh dear. I will go and see them straight away. You know, this really wasn't such a great idea after all.
No.
And that balloon cost me a small fortune.
Well, I'm sure we can put it to good use. And it may be a good way to say sorry to Stumpy and Walter.
Wow, this is great.
Ho ho! It's like being a bird!
Here, I can see your mill from up here. Splendid! What a great idea! You know, I really don't know what I'd do without you two. You really are the best.